Hi and hello friends, welcome again to my channel Indian Mom Cooking. So today I'm going to show you all how to make crab masala. Especially this is from my mom's place and she's going to make crab masala, and it's very easy to make. You can just make it within 15 to 20 minutes and very delicious to eat as well. So let's begin with the recipe. So I've taken like 1.5 kg of crab here. So let's get started with the recipe. So I'm just going to take a kadai. In that I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. You can oil any oil of your choice. To that I'm going to add about 3 onions that are roughly chopped and 2 tomatoes, medium-sized tomatoes, and 4 green chilies and an inch of ginger. So I'm just going to put all together and stir it and then cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes or until all the mixture becomes softer. And I'm going to keep on stirring in between and stir it and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. And after that switch off the stove and let it cool down to the room temperature, and then we can blend it. So I've just blended the whole mixture. It just looks like this. Now I'm going to take another kadai, and to that I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Let them get heated up. To that I'm going to add the blended mixture. Make sure to keep the flame on medium, otherwise it will splatter. Keep on stirring. And I'm going to add a handful of curry leaves here. Keep on stirring. And now to this I'm going to add 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of plain red chili powder. You can very well add Kashmiri red chili powder as well. And remember, we have already added 4 green chili. And required salt for the crab masala. So I've taken 1.5 kg of crab. So add salt according to that. Keep on stirring again and check for the spiciness and salt. And now to this I'm going to add about half cup of water, and you can add as much water you want. If you want more gravy, you can add more water. So check for seasoning. If you want more salt or spiciness, you can add at this stage. Now I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes. Keep on stirring in between and just cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. So I've taken 1.5 kg of crab, cleaned it thoroughly. And to that, so I'm going to place crab one by one, placing flesh side down to the masala. So yes, I've placed all the crab pieces. Now we are just going to cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes, it's ready. The crab masala is ready. Very delicious to eat, and at the same time very easy to make. You can make it within 15 to 20 minutes. And please do try this yummy recipe and let me know in the comment section. And try this recipe and click a pic and send it to my mail ID, which is given in the description box. And that's it. Crab masala is absolutely ready. You can subscribe to my channel if you like this channel, and also click on that like button if you like this recipe. And I will all catch you in my next recipe. Until then, stay happy. From Kritika.